Big breaking news now coming in straight from Uttar Pradesh. This is a big move by Chief Minister of the state, Yogi Adityanath. He has taken a step for covered pilgrims. Nameplates will have to be installed on food shops on covered routes across Uttar Pradesh. The name and identity of the operator and owner will have to be written on the shops. This decision was taken to maintain the purity of the faith of covered pilgrims. Actions will also be taken against those selling products with halal certification. We'll bring you more details with regards to this big word emerging straight from the state of Uttar Pradesh and Kanwar Yatra. We have CNN News 18 Siddharth Mishra back with us on the broadcast on this particular story. Siddharth, over to you. Please walk us through the details of this big move of Yogi Adityanath and his government. Siddharth, can you hear me?
Well, absolutely, Sakshi. It's a big move by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. In fact, this is for the first time that we are getting to know that the directive that was first implemented in Muzaffarnagar and then Saharanpur would be implemented in all across the state, so that law and order remain intact at the time of Kanwar Yatra. Now, this step has been taken by Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, and perhaps we have been given to know that in whole of UP, the eateries have to put the nameplate of the owner in front of the shop, and very clearly the name of the shopkeeper should be written on that board. This has been done to maintain the purity of the Kanwar devotees. And in fact, there would also be action that the state government will take on halal certified products. The shops which will be selling halal certified products at the time of Kanwar Yatra. So very big move, and perhaps we could look for opposition reaction sometime from now, because yesterday we saw that two of the districts implemented this directive, Saharanpur and Muzaffarnagar, and there were a lot of political backlash. Asaduddin Owaisi, Akhilesh Yadav, they all slammed government for taking out this directive and saying that this has been deliberately done to increase communal divide in the society. But today we have been told that on the instruction of Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, there's going to be the same directive which will be implemented all across the state, and also from wherever this yatra will pass. And this has been done to keep the purity and sanctity of Kanwar devotees intact. And also the action would be taken on the shops which will be selling halal certified products. So very big move. Perhaps we could look for a very strong statement, reactions coming from the opposition camp, as opposition has been saying that BJP is deliberately taking decisions which reflect their hardline Hindutva politics, because they want to get the grip over the lost ground in the last Lok Sabha election. So this is how opposition is trying to interpret this entire decision. But UP government, their senior officers are telling us this has completely been done to keep law and order intact, as there have been multiple complaints to the state police force that people from the other communities...
All right, Siddharth, would request you to please stay with us. We have Congress's Imran Masood joining us on the broadcast. Imranji, thank you so much for speaking to CNN News 18. How are you looking at this particular move coming in from Yogi government over the Kanwar pilgrimage?
देखिए, दो से ध्यान भटकाने के लिए ये इनका पुराना शिकूफा है। रोज आतंकवादी हमले हो रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर चर्चा ना हो। किसान अपनी फसल के दाम के लिए कूच करने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर चर्चा ना हो। किसान की फसल का दाम नहीं मिला, उसके ऊपर चर्चा ना हो। नौजवान 600 लोडर के लिए वैकेंसी निकलती है टाटा एयरलाइंस के अंदर, 25,000 से ज्यादा आदमी ऑफिस पे पहुंच जाता है। नौजवान रोजगार के लिए परेशान है, उसके ऊपर चर्चा ना हो। हमारे जवान जो शहीद हो रहे हैं, उनके शहादत होकर के उनके घर शव जा रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर चर्चा ना हो। इसलिए इन चर्चाओं से ध्यान भटकाने के लिए इधर काम शुरू कर देंगे। इससे कुछ नहीं हासिल होता है। ये देश मोहब्बत से चलने वाला देश है। आप सदियों से लोग, जब से काम परंपरा चली है, तब से लोग एक दूसरे के साथ स्वागत सत्कार सम्मान करते हैं। मैं सहारनपुर से सांसद हूँ, सहारनपुर से ये जितना जो कपड़े पहन करके चलते हैं उसके ऊपर जो हौजरी के कपड़े पहनते हैं वो सारे सहारनपुर के मुसलमान कारीगर बनाते हैं। कावड़ को सजाने का काम मेरठ के अंदर सारे मुसलमान कारीगर करते हैं। हिंदू और मुसलमान की नफरत के नाम के ऊपर नहीं होता है, मोहब्बत से होता है। और हर जगह मुसलमान इनका स्वागत सम्मान सत्कार करने का काम करेंगे और करते हैं और करेंगे। तो ये बेकार की बात है, इनसे कुछ नहीं हासिल होगा। इनके करने से क्या होना है, नफरत की बात करनी, इसके अलावा कुछ करते नहीं।
इमरान जी प्लीज हमारे साथ बने रहिए. वी हैव वारिस पठान of AIMIM also joining us on the broadcast. Thank you so much for speaking to CNN News 18. Would like your reaction on this move coming in from Yogi government about the Kawar pilgrimage. How would you respond to it?
Well, the notification issued by the Muzaffarnagar police and the Yogi government is highly condemnable. It is per se illegal, bad in law, against the constitution. It violates the Article 17, 19, 21 of the constitution. It is against democracy and against the social fabric of our great nation. Why to discriminate? This is totally law based on discrimination. Article 17 says we have removed untouchability. Why to bring such kind of law? This is nothing but the BJP's frustration which is being shown by them, the hatred towards the Muslim community. After 4th of June, till date, what we have been witnessing since the BJP has lost, the people have given them the mandate, is the frustration against the Muslims. Since 4th of June, we have been witnessing a lot of mob lynchings against one community. In Kolhapur, in Maharashtra, what happened when BJP government is there, Shinde and Fadnavis government is there, people in front of the police goes in the mosque, desecrated one Quran, go on the minaret, they torch it, they go to women's houses, hit them in front of the police, no action. And now this is against this thing is social boycott. This was being done in Nazi era during Hitler time. They want to get it done here. It is highly condemnable. They should take back the order passed by that. In that route, see, we respect the religious sentiments of every person. Everybody has a right to practice the religion of their own choice. They respect my sentiment, I respect their sentiment. But this is not the way. No, see, this is against Article 21, as I say, because it is against livelihood. There are so many people who have been removed from job because of this order. So many people. Are you there?
Yes, sir. But Mr.
So
Varis
many
would
people
like to
have
ask
been
you, would just like to intervene and ask a quick question that the police, despite of getting all of the criticism, has highlighted that in past couple of years there were incidents because of which the Kawar pilgrimage got, their sentiments got hindered, because of which they are now taking this action, and this has been a standard practice in the past as well. How would you respond to this?
Lying. They are lying. Kawar Yatra is not taken out only in Muzaffarnagar. It is taken out in several parts of UP and other states. Why only in that particular route? In that route, you have Starbucks, you have McDonald's, you have KFC. Have they issued a notification to them? What steps have they taken for them? So this is just targeting a particular community and harassing them, which is against the constitution. So we are trying to destroy the secular fabric of our great nation by starting this kind of things. This is nothing. They must immediately take back the order passed by them. This is a social boycott. You cannot. It's violation of the constitution. Yogi has taken oath of the constitution, become the CM of Uttar Pradesh. Now he is violating the constitution. So we condemn it and we say that they should take back the order passed by.
Right, Mr. Varis Pathan and Mr. Imran Masood, thank you so much for joining in on CNN News 18.